get ready with me. Let's unbox our new sealing machine. Just get ready. We are going to unbox it now. Get ready. This is it. Wow, it's very fine. What I'm seeing, I love what I'm seeing. See it? Can you see it? Can you see it? This is our new machine for sealing. So if you are into packaging, if you are into packaging of juice, food, we have just got a new packaging sealing machine. This is it. Can you see it? Can you see it?